What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to complete Wishland Eastern Park, right in the center between these two provinces in the new season. Not to be confused with Wishland East, which is actually Wishland West. That's a big typo. We'll start off at the Rift Anchor down south here. To get to this Rift Anchor, you'll need to find your way towards this green building near the center. You'll head around the back of it and up the staircase, up there, all the way to the top, and you should be able to get your way to the Rift Anchor over there. From here, to get the rest of the items, we'll head towards the northern part over here, where I have two little side quests listed for me. This place is an absolute maze, especially the western side of this. So across here, probably the less official route, till we get to a point where we can climb up and into this main section here. So continuing in, we'll eventually see the claw machine come out of the ground. We can get rid of this little area boss for a good bonus. And once we've done this, we've completed our little side quest, get some loot from it, and we can now make our way towards this little balloon-shaped thing over here to the east. So from this little ride here, we'll clear out these monsters and find our way into this first purple carriage just over here. We can touch this and activate the hidden mystery crate. So 1-2 hops and opening the box, this is what we get from it. Sweet. Take another 2 hops in this direction. You'll find a little crate over here we can loot. And towards the center of this ride, you'll find over here a weapon crate. Sweet. I got this from it. Now from here, we'll head a bit to the east over here. So across here, around this big pillar, just underneath it, you'll see this building here. And just past it to the right, over here, you should see heading up onto this umbrella. And over here, we get the gear crate. Alternatively, you can land on top of this brown thing and walk your way across here. Then from here, we'll head west over to this building here, where we have the next part of this quest listed. Or a different quest, I suppose. So all the way from this far western building over here, grand opening, right over here, we'll head in, and inside of this main section, you'll find a gear container, and also a senior employee, apparently. This is a small little area boss. Grabbing the gear container, that's what I got from it. Now we'll head down towards this main building over here. So from this main section up here, we'll head into this castle over here. Then we'll need to head up, so either left or right, up here. And from the top, instead of going through here, turn around and head left past these paintings. We should find a way up. There may be another area boss nearby. I think this one's upstairs, but we seem to be able to hit it through the ground. Yeah, or even it seems to be stuck. Oh, no, there we go. We got some stuff from the little area boss. And at the very top, you'll find a tower next to you. We'll climb up this one. And up here, near the centerpiece of this little castle here, you'll find the mystical crate. Once we pick this up, you're technically done with the area. There you go. But right above us here is a weapon crate. If you wish to get it, you can find your way onto this track, either taking this if it seems to work for you. For me, though, it doesn't let me into these. Oh, actually, this one worked. And we'll head up to the top, just over there, where we'll hop off. So I'll jump here, and we'll need to head back on ourselves over here and grab this weapon crate. From it, I get these items. There's another gear crate right over here to the south side, so you can head across from where we were, over here, jump from here, parachute to this, and you'll grab the gear crate. Of course, if you're doing the quest, it'll be along the way anyways. If we continue along, we'll eventually get to another weapon crate next to a big bear. So we basically just headed up this thing across and down here. We can grab this. From what we get these, there's a feed box next to it, which is part of this quest. Now finally, if you want to do the charge the mailbox quest or thing by collecting the 3 mailbox links, you can head west towards this building over here. So right over here, and inside of it, we can get the 3 mailbox links. So heading in and down all the way over this and to the right through this door, you should be able to see the mailbox link somewhere nearby. Let's see. Yep, through this broken hole in the glass here. On this far side, you can find the first mailbox link here. We'll then head back out of this, straight across to the other side of this room through door number 2, after we pick up the one in the center here. So through here, we can then head up here into the roof, where we'll find the 3rd and final mailbox link. Grabbing this, we can head back down, out of here, and you should see the mailbox thing over here that we need to put these into. We'll activate it, and it should have been activated, but I guess it wasn't. I probably need to relog here to get it to work, or it's just yet another glitched mission. Nope, I actually think this is just yet another glitched mission. Oh well. Anyways, that's it for this quick video. Hopefully it helped you. Hopefully you don't get too lost in this terrible area. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.